Yeah, hello guys, I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about some more programs like Armstrong number, and number palindrome or not, and factorial, and some more programs like this. Okay, yeah, and the reversing a number like this. Okay, we'll speak some good programs. Okay, which will come for which will come for interviews for freshers. Okay, yeah. For experience, don't expect programs these kind. Okay, definitely they will go for higher end. Yeah. Sushmita, is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, the first program is ah. So we'll start with the factorial of a number. Okay, guys? Hmm. చెప్పండి. Anyone how to write the factorial of a number? Factorial of how to calculate?
If we take any number, fact equal to fact eta is possible.
The was you already know, right? Let us give a chance to Kathy. Kathy, tell me, Kathy, how to calculate? What's the core idea behind this? Hello.
Yeah,
So any idea, Kathy?
like I guess the factorial is like the product of all numbers.
Yeah, that is fine. Any idea, how to approach? Suppose if you know, if you calculate sum of numbers, how will you calculate? Okay,
Okay.
first.
N like normal arithmetic formula is like N into N minus 1 into
That is fine. That is fine. See, first, before going to this factorial of a number, okay, let us try a program like sum of n numbers till n. Okay, suppose sum of n numbers. Okay, guys, sum of n numbers. Okay, na? That is. I think we have already discussed before patterns. Am I correct, Sushmita?
yes, yes.
Okay, na? See now, where is the pie chart? Pie chart. Yeah, we'll try to cover at least 4 to 5 programs today. Okay. So once if we complete these programs, no, we'll start with the list. Okay, list will speak about 5 days. What are the all applications of list? What are the all programs that can be covered like that? And then tuple 4 to 5 days, set 4 to 5 days, dictionary 4 to 5 days, then functions 4 to 5 days. Okay, like that will go. Okay, na guys? Yeah, it is loading this time. Okay. Hmm. See guys, suppose Kathy, if I want to calculate sum of n numbers, okay. So what should I do, Kathy? ఏంటిది? Okay, let me tell. Okay, not like that. See, for I in range of n, అంతే కదా? Is that fine, Sushmita? See, my I will become one. Sorry, my I will become zero. My I will become one, two, three, so on till four. Okay, guys. Suppose we want to include 5 also, give plus 1. Okay, now? Now you write sum equal to sum plus I. Is that fine, guys? Am I correct, guys? Hello, Kathy.
Yes.
Kathy, is that fine? See, see, first let me explain this. Let me do a quick dry run. First, my I is 0. Okay, my sum is 0. Okay, 0 plus 0, how much? My sum will be 0. Now my I will be 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, how much? Sum will be 1. Am I correct? Sum will be 1 now. Okay, now again I will be 2. Okay, now sum is already 1. 1 plus 2. Am I correct? Yes. Now sum will be 3. Okay, now again I will be 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Am I correct? Yes. And then I will be 4. I will be 4. 6 plus 4, 10, like that. I will be 5, okay, like that, okay? 10 plus 5, 15. Am I correct, guys? So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, and 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Am I correct, guys? So in this way, you can achieve the sum. Is that fine, Kathy?
Yeah, fine.
So this is the core logic, guys. Sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, now. See, I already told, in plus two, how we habituate plus one or plus two or maths, basic math. Like we used to cut, right, some like, if you see a same variable in both the left hand side and right hand side, you'll cut it, right, like how we do. Am I correct, guys? But it's not the case. Okay, now. Okay, so you see, in computer, any programming language, first right side will calculate and it will assign to left side variable. Okay, na, guys? Kathy? Hello, Kathy.
Yeah, fine.
Is that fine, right? See, because this Prashant already has some good idea, and Sushmita also has already some good idea. The one who is learning new bits in this class today, you only. So that's why I was asking you. Okay. Okay. Let us run the code. 15. Okay. Now, now tell me how to calculate a product. If I give n equal to 5, I want 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. See, now till now what we have calculated? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 into 1. Am I correct, guys? Now I want 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So what should I do, Kathy?
You need to do product into one.
Not exactly. Let me write the code. See, here we take sum equal to 0 because the sum, so because, 0 plus anything will be something like that only, right? So that's why you're taking sum equal to 0. Okay, because if sum contains some value, your sum will go wrong, right? 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And already if sum is containing some value, suppose sum is containing 10 or 20, the answer is wrong, right? That is fine. Now, suppose take variable like prod. Okay. So make prod equal to 1, guys. Okay, now. Sushmita, can you tell me the core logic here for factorial?
Oh, can you repeat? Okay, factorial logic, right? Yeah, fact equal to
Yeah, prod
fact
equal
into
to
I.
prod equal to prod into I. అంతే కదా?
Yes, yes. Initially, you have taken prod equal to 1.
Yeah, exactly. See, guys, it should take product equal to, it's not 1.
I.
Okay, yeah. It should take prod equal to 1 because if you take prod equal to 0, anything into 0 is 0, right? So my I is 1. Okay, so initially I is 1 into 1. Okay, na? Okay, then 1. Then I will become 2. 1 into 2. 2. Okay, guys. Now I will become 3. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, now. Okay, I will become 4. 6 into 4, 24. Okay. Then I will be 5. 24 into 5. 120. Is that fine? Kathy, Deep is not there. Yeah. Kathy, Prashant.
Yeah, fine, fine.
See, in this way, first right side, it will execute and then it will ascend to left side. Okay. So keep on. So this is how you should understand the code. Okay, guys. See. Okay, sum we are not printing. Let us print prod. Okay. Hey, prod equal to 0. Acha, my I is having 1. So it should be 1 to n plus 1, guys. Okay. I should not be 1 because once the prod is 0, it will be 0 forever. Okay. See, 120. Okay, guys. Guys, is that fine?
Fine.
Now, prime number, guys. Okay, you need to check whether the number is prime or not, guys. Okay. Guys, tell me what is prime number, by the way. Sushmita.
Yeah. If a number has only two factors, that too one in itself, it is called prime number.
Okay, that is correct. Suppose, how to say, whether a number is a factor of some number?
Okay. If a number is divided by 1 and that number, except those two conditions, if it satisfy any other condition.
That is okay. See, suppose if 23 is there, okay. 23, see, but suppose 24 is there, okay. So 24 mod, see, 24 if you divide by 4, 4 6 is 24, 0, right? So the remainder is, see, if you,
0.
okay, if you divide by any number,
Remainder
see,
equal to 0.
if remainder equal to 0, like, you know, if suppose there is a number called n, if you divide any number, then you get remainder 0, you can say that number is a factorial. Okay, now if you divide 24, 24 with 4 is 0, remainder 0, 24 with 6, 0, am I correct? 12, 0, am I correct? Like that. Okay, now. Okay, na? So how you are saying these 4, 6, 12 are factors of 24, because when you divide by these numbers, you will get remainder as 0, guys. Okay, guys, don't think this is the concept which you already know. It's not the case, guys. You should try to think in a programmatic way. Okay. Now I was just trying to convert this into programmatic way. See, 1, 4, 6, 12, and 24 are the factors, guys. Am I correct, guys? Okay, now. Now if you take 23, how many? 1 and 23. Am I correct, guys? Okay, now. Guys, how to check, you know, whether the remainder is 0 or not in the programming? If n is there, some x is there, how to check whether
Modulus.
exactly? If you divide, so 24 modulus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 24 modulus 2 equal to 0. That means it's a factor. 24 3, I think it's not 0, right? 3 7, okay, it's also factor. Sorry, 4 also factor. Am I correct, guys? 24 5 is not a factor, right, guys? It's not equal to 24 mod 5 not equal to 0. Am I correct, guys? So in this way you will get all the factors for a number. Am I correct, guys? So if a number is having only two factors, if a number is having only two factors, that number is said to be prime number. Okay. Okay, guys. Guys, is that fine? Sushmita, Kathy, is it fine, Kathy? Fine, huh? Okay. Now the approach is from 1 to till that number, we'll divide every number. Okay. Suppose if you want to judge n is a prime or not, from 1 to till n. Okay. You divide every number with, okay, every number. Okay. Suppose 24 is there. 24 with 1 to till 24 you divide. Okay. Then you calculate the factors. That means where modulus is equal to 0, you make a count of it. Okay. After the for loop, if the count is 2, exactly, it is a prime, guys. Am I correct, guys? Sushmita, is it fine?
Yes.
Who is this joining too early? Hey, hi, Sunil.
Hi, sir.
I was explaining the prime number program, Sunil. Okay. See, I'm saying, okay, if you want to calculate, Sunil, please try to join early, okay, from today, tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
Because if you're joining late, it's very hard to, you know, repeat, okay? Please understand, okay? Na? Yeah, from last 3 days, you're joining late, okay? So please understand, okay? Yeah. Okay. So the thing is, if you want to check whether a number is prime or not, you should check how many factors are there. Okay. Factor means a number, when it is divisible by that number, if the remainder is 0, you can say, suppose if n is divisible by x. Okay. If n, you know, if n while divided by x, if the remainder is 0, then you can say x is said to be factor of n. Am I correct, Sunil?
sir.
So in programmatic way, if you want to directly get the remainder, you can say n mod x equal to 0. If n mod x is 0, then you can say that x is a factor of n. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now they will write the program. Okay, so the idea is we'll divide, suppose 24 is there, we'll divide every number starting from 1 till 24. Okay, divide by 24. Whenever the equal 0, that means that particular number is a factor. After the for loop, we'll check whether the n is prime or not. Okay, if it is having only two factors, it is a prime, else it is not, right? Am I correct, Sunil? Is that making
Yes,
sense?
sir.
Okay, okay. For I in range of 0. Okay, 1 till n. And then you should take n plus 1. Am I correct, guys? If n mod I equal to 0. Oh, sorry. Sushmita, is that fine? So after, okay, so sorry, my bad. So this post increment and pre increment are not there in Python. Okay, guys. So you can say, see, this if this is if okay, if this passing, you are just increment the count. If this is not passing, you won't touch count. Okay, guys, is that making sense, guys? Sushmita.
Yes.
Okay, so you just now you come out of the for loop. Okay, now suppose see, guys, whenever you are trying to write the same line in the for loop, you can say that is out of the for loop. If you write same line in if, you can say that is out of my if. Am I correct, guys? Okay, that's it. Okay, so if my count equal to print n is prime. Am I correct, guys? Okay, na? So 7 is a prime. Okay, na, guys? Now 24. See, you are not getting anything. So you can add else block. Okay, so that you know else print, or sorry, print n is not a prime. Okay, na? Okay, guys. See, 24 not a prime. Okay, na, guys? Now we'll speak about Armstrong number. Guys, why everyone is calm today? Ask some doubts if we have any. Guys, do you know what is Armstrong number, guys? By the way, Sushmita,
I forgot it actually.
I forgot it. Kaadu. You should tell her. You should tell her.
Okay, we have one function with 153, right? 1 cube plus 5 cube plus
Yeah,
3
yeah.
cube equal to 1.
Suppose if a number is there, cubes of their number is equal to actual number, then if say 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Okay, if this is equal to 153, so you can say 153 is an Armstrong number. But if you take 160, 160 and 200, any number, it is not a Armstrong number. Okay, my guys. See 222, let us say, okay, 8 plus 8 plus 8, then 2 cube plus 2 cube plus 2 cube. So this is not an Armstrong number, guys, right? 24. So if the sum of the cubes, sum of the individual digits of the cubes must be equal to actual number, then the number is said to be Armstrong number, guys. Okay, now? Guys, can anyone tell me how to write the logic for this? Just to guess something, do some guesswork. Guys, answer means it's not meant to keep quiet. Try something, Prashant, no?
ఒక్కొక్క డిజిట్ ని సెపరేట్ చేసుకుంటాం
Ah.
మోడ్ 10 చేసి ఆర్టికల్ క్యూబ్ చేస్తాం సమ్ కి యాడ్ చేస్తాం ఆ
Yeah.
సమ్ అనే వేరియబుల్ కి యాడ్ చేసి
Sure, sure.
వచ్చి
Yeah, that's correct. Guys, now I will give you some rough analogy. Okay, suppose if I will see, I will ask Pushmita, can you tell me? 213. Okay, 213 mod 10, how much is the answer, Pushmita?
Mod 3, mod
Huh?
3.
3. Okay, so 123, 125, how much is the modulus 10? How much is the answer?
5.
5. Okay, 345 mod 10, how much is the answer?
5.
5. So if you observe carefully, if you do modulus 10, you will get the last digit as the answer. Am I correct, guys? Okay, na? So Ishita, is it fine?
Yes.
How much this is the answer? Kathy, can you tell me? 7, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is 9. Okay, anyway. Now, Kathy, you tell me. 213 by 10. Step division by 10. Answer anta? See, step division will give you the quotient without fraction. Okay, I'm just repeating. Okay, Kathy, can you tell me 213 step division by 10? How much is the answer?
21.
Super. 21. Okay, now 125 step division of 10. How much is the answer?
12.
12. Ante? 12. 345. Sushmita, you tell me 345 step division of 10. How much is the answer? Sushmita. Sushmita, are you there?
Yeah, 1 minute again. Modulus of 100. 34.
34. See, if you observe carefully these three numbers, what you guys observed, guys? This 21, 12, 34. See, if you do step division, that last number will be eliminated, right? 5 is gone. 5 is gone. Okay, 7, 8, 9 by 10. See, 9 is gone. Am I correct, guys? So if you do modulus division, you will get the last number of 10, last number. And here, if you do step division, you will eliminate the last number. Am I correct, guys? Guys, is that making sense? Hello?
ఎస్
Okay, Sushmita.
Yeah, okay.
Now, by using this analogy, we'll frame a logic. Okay, so each and every number we'll do modulus division. We'll get the last number and we'll cube it and we'll store in the sum. Again, we'll do step division so that the last digit will be eliminated, and the next time we'll get a chance to acquire a new number. Am I correct, guys? Sushmita, is that correct?
Yes, you were telling me first we are doing remainder, because we are getting lost. Is it after that we are doing divided by?
So because if you eliminate 3, no, then next time, next iteration, you will, if you do modulus, you will get 1. Okay, now
Okay.
after that, if you do step division of 10, again, 1 will go, 21 will be, in 21, and only 2 is there. Okay, like that. Okay, Krishna.
Okay.
So let me put that into code. Okay. Okay. And n equal to int of input. Guys, this logic writing is very, very important, guys. Okay, don't neglect this. Okay. Int of input. Please enter a number to check. Enter a number to check whether it is Armstrong or not. Is Armstrong or not? Am I correct, guys? Armstrong or not? So first, so this iteration earlier what I told, this iteration should go till the n is not equal to 0. Okay, if n is equal to 0, it should come out of that loop. Okay, na? Guys, Sushma, is it fine? While n not equal to 0, till that you iterate. Okay, na? So remainder equal to n modulus 10. Okay, na? And sum equal to sum plus remainder into remainder into remainder. Am I correct, Sushmita?
Yes, but 1 minute. You suppose you are taking 153, right?
Yeah.
So now the remainder is 3, okay?
Exactly. Now my
Now
sum will be
sum equal to 0 plus 3 into 3 into 3.
27.
Oh, okay, okay.
27,
Yeah.
right? Okay, now in sum there is 27. Am I correct? Now next time you doing n equal to n lower division of 10. So 153, 3 will go. So you will have your n will have only 15. Am I correct? Now again,
Yes, sir.
again you will get 5 as a remainder. Again you do the 27 plus the 5 cube. 120, yeah? 125, yeah? 125. Antena? Plus 125. Okay, now again this 15 will become 1 now. Antena? Again my n is not equal to 0. You know, remainder equal to 1 only, guys. Okay, 1 more 10. Okay, 1 only. Okay, now plus 1. Okay, na? Is that when 1 cube is 1? Antena? See, guys, now if see something, if suppose 2 mod 10 and 2 mod 23, okay, something, okay, 2 mod 10, okay, or 2 mod 11. Suppose if numerator is lesser than the denominator, you can say the answer is numerator only, guys. Okay, na? Guys, is that okay? The answer equal to 3. Am I correct, guys? So 1 more 10 becomes 1. Okay, na? So I'm just removing this. Okay, na? Kathy, is that fine, Kathy?
Yeah, fine.
Now, guys, there is a loophole. I will tell definitely it is wrong. Okay, see, if sum equal to n, print n is Armstrong. See, it seems like correct, but it is not. Guys, can anyone tell me? If you really tell, it's really great. And you know, if you are a beginner in the programming, if you find the bug in this, if you find the mistake in this, it is really great, guys. Kathy, I'll give you chance to first to you only. You tell me.
Where you are using term?
Yes. So because after while loop, this 153 becomes 0, guys. My n will be 0 once I get out of the my while loop. Am I correct, guys? Kathy. So you're comparing sum with 0. So it is not the actual logic, right? You should compare sum with the actual value of n. Am I correct, Kathy? So store that in temp, some variable, okay? Right? And then compare the sum with the temp. Okay, na, guys? అర్థమైందా సుష్మిత? Prashantu, is it fine? Kathy, is it fine? Okay, so this is some mistake people used to commit. Okay, n is not an Armstrong number. Okay. Okay, let us take 153. Okay, no, guys. Array, something gone wrong. Sum equal to. Okay, you have it initialized as sum. Okay, guys. Sum equal to 0. Okay, na? Okay, okay. See, the n is becoming 0. Okay, you should replace n with temp. Okay, na, guys? Temp. Okay. See, it is becoming 0. See, it's printing 0. Okay. 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. Let me give another. Okay, 222. See, triple D is not an Armstrong. Sushmita, is it fine, Sushmita? The code. Have you understood? Guys, here use floor division only. Don't use normal division. The entire program will go wrong. Okay. Sushmita, is it fine? Kathy, is it fine?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now I think the last program for the day. Next program. Now, what we'll do? See, suppose if our input is 3 to 1, you should print like 1 to 3, guys. Okay, na? That is our. You should reverse the number. Okay, na, guys. So n equal to int of input. Guys, can anyone tell me how to? What is the approach? Any idea? Vague idea? At least Shrishita, Prashant. Please enter number to reverse. Antena?
mod 10 చేసి into 10 చేస్తాం వచ్చింది sum కి.
Exactly. ఇంకా Shrishita నువ్వు చెప్తావా? Wait, Prashant. Shrishita will tell.
Okay, first we need to take the remainder.
Okay, super.
After that, we can take like sum equal to sum into 10 plus remainder.
Exactly.
And again we need to divide
Floor
it
division.
by
Okay.
10.
Yeah. Guys, this expression will come through practice only because see, you should stand at 10 multiple. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so while n, guys, today everyone is so fast, guys. Today, I think everyone has done with the dinner. Am I correct? See, n mod 10, which I told you same. Okay, now reverse. Okay, something like you take some number. Okay, reverse equal to 0. Okay, now you should type reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. Is that fine, Sushmita? And
Yes.
n equal to n floor division by 10. Okay, na? See what is happening. Suppose if number is 123, the first 3 will come out. Okay, now reverse is 0. 0 10 is 0 plus 3. Okay, now my reverse equal to 3. Am I correct, guys? Now again, so 123 becomes 12. Ante kada ikkada, guys. So again 2 will come. Okay, so 3 already reverse is 3, right? So 3 into 10 plus 2, 30 plus 2, 32. Okay, if you observe, my 123 becomes 32. Okay, now. Okay, now 112 becomes 1. Okay, 1 more 10. Again, okay, 32 into 10 plus 1. Okay, 321. Kathy, is that fine, Kathy? Hello?
Yeah, it's fine.
See, don't hesitate, don't hesitate to ask. Like, you can ask any doubt. Okay?
No, I got it.
Huh?
I got it.
You got it right? Okay. See, because you're from non-CS background, that's why I'm teaching. I was asking you multiple times. Okay, don't take other way. Okay, yeah. If reverse equal to again the same problems, guys. You should store that n in temp, guys. Okay, na? You should store temp equal to n. So that's because after the loop, your n will go down to 0. Sunil, are you following, Sunil?
Yes, sir, following.
Yeah, okay. Even for you also, don't hesitate to ask doubts, okay? Feel free to ask doubts, okay? reverse equal temp. Guys, what will happen if reverse equal to temp? There is some particular concept is there in programming. Sushmita, can you tell me? See, obviously, I'll print reverse. Okay, 123 becomes 321 print out. That's fine.
What? Can I repeat it again?
See, if
Sir,
I
I'm
print
putting that,
reverse, it will
printed
print
response.
123 becomes 321. Ante kada. I'm saying if my reverse equal temp, what can we conclude?
It is a palindrome also.
Yeah, exactly. Print n is palindrome. Okay, na? Guys, is it fine? Suppose our 323 is there. Okay, if you reverse, again 323 comes, right? Then you can say it's a palindrome, right? Kushal, are you practicing after the class? The programs which we were discussing in the class. Else, print
These programs are practiced before I'm practicing after programs.
is not palindrome. Okay, na? See, reverse into 10 plus remainder. Okay, you have missed that. Okay, yeah. See, if I give 160, 142, 241. Okay, na? And okay, let us take 4, 5, 4. Okay, now this is a palindrome. Okay, na? See, 0, not 0. You should replace yan with temp. Okay, yeah. Temp. Okay, guys. Okay, na? I think for today we have covered a good programs only. Like we have covered sum of numbers. See, sum of numbers we have covered. Sum of numbers, factorial. Guys, what else we covered? Armstrong and reversing. Antena? You are just concluding this palindrome or not? Am I correct? Yes. Guys, any other program? Say some programs now, we'll solve. See, or else we'll wrap for today. Tomorrow we'll try to cover some more programs like this. Okay, na? Is it fine, guys? It's been
Yeah,
10
fine.
It's been 10 o'clock, close to 10, 4 minutes more. Guys, from tomorrow, please try to join